Yeah, so if you go to view rulers, and then you'll be able to see the rulers on the side of the screen. But what's so great about it is that you are able to drag these red lines. They are basically guidelines. So let's say you want to create like you have this frame, right? You want to design only with a fixed width of, like, I don't know, like 200 pixels, and then you're gonna center it, and then just drag the guidelines to the side, uh, something like this, and then you can just remove the rectangle, and then you end up with basically these guidelines, which you can use to continue designing your website, whatever it is, but all within this fixed div, basically, box, whatever, column. So yeah, then they're not visible if you run the prototype. The red lines won't be visible. It's only visible to the, like, in editor. So yeah, they're basically guidelines, and you also, like, if you don't want to use these guidelines, to delete them, just drag them back to where they came from, like on top of the rulers, basically. But you also have an option if you select your frame to layout grid, and then you have a bunch of settings to format the grid with, again, red lines. But I mean, technically you can change them into whatever color you want. So these are not, at least technically, red lines. Those from the ruler are basically, I don't know. I guess, can you change the colors? No, you can't. You can't really change the red lines from the guidelines, the color from the guidelines. Maybe that you will at some point. Right now you can't. Yeah, but so to keep it short, they are basically guidelines. You use them to align your design properly, or to just keep it within a column, or like a row, or like, I don't know, a specific fixed size for your design. So yeah.